This mascara always looks natural. If you like your eyes to look defined, open, your lashes to look like your lashes, just a little bit fuller, then I think you're absolutely gonna love this mascara. Not only does it give your lashes a very pretty, natural, fluttery look, it's also amazing for sensitive eyes, it's smudge proof, and it treats your lashes whilst you wear it. Applying this mascara is really easy and quick. I really love how it's made my lashes look. They look soft, they look fluttery, they look longer. I really enjoy how they've made my eyes look more open without looking like they're wearing a ton of makeup. I think you're absolutely gonna fall in love with this mascara.